Class 11th Chemistry, Unit 12, Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, and in this video we will discuss about different types of alkyl groups. First of all, what is alkyl group? An alkyl group is derived from a saturated hydrocarbon by removing a hydrogen atom from carbon. An alkyl group is named by substituting YL4ANE in the corresponding alkane. For example, CH4, its name is methane. If one hydrogen atom is removed, then we will get CH3. This dash represents the free valency of carbon, and this alkyl group is known as methyl. Its abbreviation is Me. C2H6, its name is ethane. If one hydrogen atom is replaced, then we will get this is dash C2H5, and its name is ethyl. Its abbreviation is ET. This C2H5 may be written like this, or you can also write this clear. C3H8, propane. If one hydrogen atom is replaced, then we will get C3H7, and that can be written like this. This is known as propyl. Abbreviation is PR. C4H10, this is butane. If one hydrogen atom is replaced, then we will get this alkyl group, and its name is butyl. Abbreviation is Bu. All these alkyl groups are straight chain alkyl groups. Clear? We are also having some branched alkyl groups. Let us see. But before it, we will discuss types of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms may be primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, or quaternary carbon. Primary carbon can also be written as 1 degree, secondary carbon is 2 degree, tertiary carbon is 3 degree, quaternary carbon is 4 degree. Now what is primary carbon? The carbon which is attached to only one carbon atom. That is the carbon atom which is at terminal position. It is known as primary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom, the carbon atom which is attached to two carbon atoms. Tertiary, the carbon atom which is attached to three carbon atoms. And quaternary carbon atom is attached to four carbon atoms. See this structure. Now this carbon attached with this one only. So this is primary, 1 degree. In the same way, this is also 1 degree carbon, this is also primary, this is also primary carbon, and this is also primary carbon. Now if we see this carbon, okay, this is attached with this one and this one. So this is secondary carbon or 2 degree carbon. Now if you observe this one, this is attached with this carbon, and this carbon. So this is tertiary carbon. Now if you see this one, this is attached with the four another carbon atom. So this is quaternary carbon. Okay. Now the hydrogen atoms attached to the primary carbon are known as primary hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen atoms attached to the secondary carbon are known as secondary hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen atoms attached to the tertiary carbon are known as tertiary hydrogen atoms. And there is no hydrogen atom attached to the quaternary carbon atom. Is that clear? So you must be able to identify primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, and quaternary carbon. Okay. Now branched alkyl group. Now again come to the formula of propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. Clear? If hydrogen atom is removed from terminal carbon atoms, like from this one or this one, then whatever the alkyl group obtained, that is known as, that is a straight chain alkyl group, and that is propyl. But if hydrogen atom from this middle carbon atom is removed, then we will get this is CH3, this is CH, and this dash represents the free valency of this carbon, and this is CH3. This can also be written like this, and its name is isopropyl. Clear? Actually, this part present in any organic compound, we use the word iso. Okay. Now in this case, three carbon atoms are there. That's why this is isopropyl. Now come to the butane. This is CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Clear? Now we already discussed that this is primary carbon, this is also primary carbon, this is secondary carbon and this is secondary carbon. If hydrogen atom attached to any primary carbon atom is removed, then whatever the alkyl group is obtained, that is called butyl. Clear? But if hydrogen atom attached to the secondary carbon atom is removed, then whatever the alkyl group is obtained, that is known as secondary butyl. This one is CH3, CH2. Now we can say this is a secondary carbon, and from secondary carbon one hydrogen atom is removed. So this alkyl group is secondary butyl. Now there is one isomer of butane. I think you are familiar with this. This is called isobutane. Clear? Now again, this is primary carbon, this is primary carbon, and this is primary carbon, but this one is tertiary carbon. Now if from this isobutane, hydrogen atom from any primary carbon atom is removed, then we will get the alkyl group, and that alkyl group is known as isobutyl. Okay. Now again, in this case again 4 carbon atoms are present, and this part, this is iso. So this is isobutyl. This dash represent the free valency. Okay. But if hydrogen atom from this tertiary carbon atom is removed, then we will get this tertiary butyl. Now again, in the same way, pentane C5H12, 3 isomers are there: normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane, and this is the structure of neopentane. This is okay. Now if hydrogen atom is removed from any terminal carbon, it may be from this one, this one, this one or this one, then we will get this structure, and this alkyl group is known as neopentyl. Is it clear? Thank you. Subscribe my channel to get the next video from this chapter.